Today's bikes are tough, but they're held together by fasteners that mustn't be stressed. Many components come with recommended torque settings. Breach these settings and you may void your warranty. It now makes sense to use torque wrenches. Torque is a measurement of torsion, a twisting force. A torque wrench has a spring-loaded indicator that gives a numerical readout of the amount of torque being applied through it. To check the recommended torque settings for the components on your bike, visit www.welltight.co.uk, where there's a list of recommended settings. In the UK and most of the rest of the world, the most common torque measurement is the Newton meter, NM for short. 1 Newton meter is a force of 1 Newton on a meter-long lever. This torque wrench has a standard 3/8 head into which you can snap Allen keys. There's a ratchet setting for undoing and tightening. Place the Allen key in the bolt to be tightened and wait for resistance from the torque wrench. You'll hear and feel little clicks. Get used to using a torque wrench on all of your bike's bolts.